there. As you know, the holidays are upon us, which usually equates to weight gain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, healthy, hearty soup that will complement any holiday meal and will keep you fitting into your jeans. So if this is something that interests you, then stick around. For quick, easy, healthy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Debbie Chu and I'm a plant-based RN. And I like to present to you quick, healthy, easy recipes that will keep you satisfied. It's a yellow split pea soup. Normally this is made with green split peas, but today I'm going to be making it with yellow. This recipe is a perfect starch solution recipe, so let's get started. Today we're going to be using the Instant Pot, so all the ingredients will be going into the one pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, that's fine. You can do this on the stovetop as well. I've already got a couple cloves of garlic in there sauteing in a little bit of water, and I'm going to add in, I've got half an onion here. I've got a couple carrots and some celery, about 3 celery stalks. So carrots I'm just going to cut in half, and half again, and we're just going to chop those. You want these in bite-sized pieces. Now we'll go ahead and add our chopped celery and carrots. And we're just going to let this saute for a few minutes. While the onions, carrots, and garlic are sauteing, let's cut up our potatoes. I've got 6 small potatoes here that I'm just going to cube up. Let's go ahead and add our potatoes in. We're going to add in our yellow split peas now, 2 cups. We're going to add in 4 cups of water. I've got a little nutritional yeast and smoked paprika. I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of my Better Than Bullion. And you won't need to add any salt with this because it's pretty salty. So you just want to give it a good stir and make sure everything's combined. And then this is optional. I like to add some red pepper flakes. Make sure you're on seal. Let's turn the saute off. And we will put this on for 20 minutes. And then we will be done. And there is our soup. I love how the split peas soak up the moisture and just gets all chunky and creamy. Yum. Just gonna get a little taste in here. It's hot. So good. This is great over rice or just as is. As I said before, I will put the full recipe in the description box. And please check out my description box because I have discount codes in there. I have links to my favorite kitchen gadgets, books. I have links to my t-shirt line here, the Speak and Do It. If you like that, I've got a couple other styles. It'd be great if you want to check those out. If you found this video helpful, leave me a comment. I really appreciate it when you do. And I hope you give this recipe a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. And also, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sweet, nope. And if you found this video helpful, and leave me a comment in the section, oh my God.